Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok inbox. So under the TikTok inbox, there are a few things that you can view. Let's just start by clicking on this inbox right here. So in under the TikTok inbox, you can check for a new followers. In here you can see if there's any account follow you recently, and you can also check your friend's status or thought in here if there's any. You can also see your account activity, like if someone view your profile, like or comment your video, you can see it in here. And there's also a notification from TikTok, or also your TikTok shop updates in here. And of course the inbox, if someone send you message here, you can see it from the inbox, TikTok inbox. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.